In vessels X and Y, the ratio of acid and water is 3:7 and 1:3 respectively. The ratio content of X and Y are mixed in the ratio 1:2. To get a solution in which acid and water are in the ratio A and B, what is the value of B plus A and B minus A? तो अगेन इसमें अपने को ऐसे दिया हुआ है, ये X है, ये Y है, इसमें एसिड और वाटर है, इसमें भी एसिड और वाटर है, ये रेशियो इसका 3:7 है, ये 1:3 है. Then you are mixing this both in the ratio 1:2, and then you are getting another final solution of acid and water, जिसमें ये A:B हो जाता है. Then you have to find B plus A and B minus A. So now here right now it is 10 and here it is 4. So if I have to divide this 2 into ratio 1:2, I'll have to first make them same. So I'll multiply this ratio by 4 and this ratio by 10. When I do this, this will become 12:28 and this will become 10:30. तो अभी देखो ये भी 40 बन गया और ये भी 40 बन गया ये रेशियो से, राइट? Now I am taking one part of this and two part of this. So if I take 40 of this, I have to take 80 of this. तो मेरे को इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो when I multiply this by 2, this will become 20:60. So this is 12:28, this is 20:60. जब इसको मिलाया तो ये 32 हो जाएगा और ये 88 हो जाएगा. I will divide by 8, 4:11 हो जाएगा. तो A:B का जो रेशियो है वो 4:11 हो गया, which means B plus A is 11 plus 4 upon 11 minus 4. 15 upon 7. Clear? Let's go ahead. There are 3 bottles of mixture of syrup and water in the ratio 2:3, 3:4 and 7:5. 10 liters of first, 21 liters of second bottles are taken. How much quantity from third bottle is to be taken so that the final mixture from 3 bottles would be in the ratio of 1:1? So now, if you compare from previous sums to this sum, in previous sums we were not given these quantities. We were only given ratios, but here some quantities are given. So we will make use of that. So there is syrup, water, syrup, water, syrup, water. There are 3 containers, 3 bottles. Here it is 2:3. Here it is 3:4. Here it is 7:5. Now I am taking 10 liters of this. I am taking 21 liters of this. And I been asked इसका कितना लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि इन सबको मिक्स कर दिया मैंने. तो रेशियो सिरप और वाटर का 1:1 हो जाएगा. This is what the question is. So let us say इसका 10 liters दिया, मतलब this 5 total is 5 which corresponds to 10, मतलब सिरप 4 होगा और ये 6 liters होगा कि नहीं होगा? इसके अंदर 3:4, 7 को 21 बोला है तो 1 3 हो गया, तो ये 9 liters होगा एंड ये 12 liters होगा. Here I do not know the total quantity, so I will take this is 7x and this is 5x. So total 12x हो गया. बराबर है? Now जब तीनों को मिक्स किया तो सिरप कितना हो जाएगा? 4 plus 9 plus 7x. So 13 plus 7x. और वाटर कितना हो जाएगा? 6 plus 12, 18, 18 plus 12x. 18 plus 5x, sorry. Correct? So now I am being given 13 plus 7x is equals to 18 plus 5x, because दोनों का quantity same है, 1:1 है, which means 2x is 5. So x is 5 upon 2. So x is 2.5. I am being asked इसका quantity 12x का value. तो 12x is 12 into 2.5. 22 into 2, 24, 12 into 0.5 plus 6, 30 liters. 30 liters should be the answer. Okay. Hello students, I hope you like this video of mixture and alligation. If you have any queries or any sums, because the sums tend to be very long, please connect to me on my YouTube channel or WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number and keep me motivated, and please do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.